Apart from DJing, is there anything else that you like doing?
Yes. It's playing with my slime.
Playing with your slime? Hey everybody, I am Grandmaster Reddy D from The Good Vibes with DJ Reddy D on Good Hope FM, and we are focused on future Cape Town youth making a difference, youth making moves. And ladies and gentlemen, I am very excited to announce that we are finally chatting to the lady that takes over Fridays on my radio show. She makes the whole of Cape Town lose their minds completely. She is in the building with us. DJ Sophia, how are you doing?
Good, and you?
I am doing very well, thank you. I just wish that we could have had this conversation in person, and we could have had this conversation eating lekker ice cream. But next time we'll do that, right?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So DJ Sophia, for all our listeners watching and the viewers watching our conversation, right? Do you want to tell them what's your age? How young are you?
My age is 7 years old.
Wow, awesome stuff. And when did you start DJing?
When I was 4.
4? Oh, yes. My word. Oh my word, I am now totally blown away. 4 years old, my word. So, who helped you to start DJing?
My daddy.
And is your daddy a DJ as well?
Yes.
And is he still helping you? Or are you the boss? And you tell him, Daddy, you gotta just wait for a second. I'm focused here on DJing now. Are you the boss?
Yes.
Awesome stuff. DJ Sophia, what equipment do you use to mix?
Numark Platinum Pro.
Oh,
Numark Platinum Pro.
Wow. Numark Platinum Pro, and that's a controller, right? Is that the same one that you brought to the photo and the video shoot that we did a few weeks ago? Is it the same one?
Yes, it is.
Okay, that's really awesome. So I want our listeners to go back and look at that video so they can actually see the deck that DJ Sophia uses, because she's there bringing it to the photo shoot and she's bouncing around in the park and just making everybody happy with what she's doing. So DJ Sophia, tell me, your friends at school and all your family members at home, now that they know you are a DJ, do they all offer to buy you sweets and toys and take you out?
No, not really.
Oh no. I'm gonna have a chat with them. They should do that, right?
Yes.
Awesome stuff. So tell me, who is your biggest supporter at home? Is it mommy or daddy? Or is it both mommy and daddy? Who's your biggest supporter? Who's your biggest fan?
Mommy and daddy.
Awesome. I like that. And tell me the music that you play, right? Is there any other music that you like besides the music that you play? Is like one style of music that you go, Ish, this is my favorite music. I love this.
It's hip-hop.
Hip-hop, wow. I'm learning new things about you, because I heard one hip-hop mix when we still did the night show, and that was an awesome mix. So I think we're going to surprise our listeners at some stage and drop a hip-hop mix on them, and then they're going to go, uh-oh, we're going to throw them liquor off and we're going to blow their minds from a completely different direction again. So tell me, DJ Sophia, apart from DJing, is there anything else that you like doing?
Yes, it's playing with my slime.
Playing with your slime? Is that green gooey stuff? Isn't it gross?
No,
I'm feeling scared, and it's like ooey gooey. It's like, It feels like touching a snail or something. Isn't it scary stuff?
No, it's just cold when you get it out, but when you just play with it, it gets warmer.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So the next time that we meet, when I see you again, you must promise you're gonna hide the slime away. I'm scared of slimy stuff.
Yes.
Okay. Awesome stuff. So, to anybody else your age that want to become a DJ, do you have advice for them?
Never give up on your dreams.
Awesome stuff. Awesome. I like that a lot. And now, DJ Sophia, you got a lot of fans on Good Hope FM. And you have a lot of fans on the Good Vibes with DJ Reddy D. They love you. So is there anything that you want to say to all of your fans?
I love you. Continue support.
Awesome stuff. Thank you so much, DJ Sophia, for chatting to us. We are looking forward to all of your mixes again. And when COVID-19 is gone and the pandemic has left the building, we are looking forward to having a big party with all the DJs and having DJ Sophia wrecking decks. What do you think about that?
Yes.
Yeah, and we're going to be eating. Are you allowed to have ice cream?
Yes.
Is that your favorite snack? What's your favorite snack?
Favorite snack is sweets and Doritos and Pringles.
All right, got you. I'm going to hook you up, right?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, DJ Sophia, and thank you so much to your mommy and your daddy for letting you mix on the show and for allowing us to chat to you. Hey, all of the best. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
This is Good Hope FM. This is Good Hope FM. We play the best music.